Friends, this is Umesh Arora from CAD Solution Merit, and today we will create this table spoon with the help of surfacing in annex. So here we have two view, one is from the top and another view is from the front. So first we have to create these two curve. Uh, this is a studio SP line and this is a line, and here in front view we have three arcs and one line. So first I will start from the top view. So just click. Okay, here is my teaspoon. Okay, you can see. Okay, let's start with a new file. So first select this top plane, and my reference is this, horizontal axis is X. Now I will start with studio spline and I will start from the x-axis. Okay, so click over here, first point, then second point, this is third, and one more point, again one more point, and this is my last point, and click OK. The dimension will come automatically, and now I have to specify, I have to define this dimension. So the first point, this will on the x-axis, this is on the x-axis, and this first point, this one, I will dimension it from this x-axis. This dimension is 10, so change it to 10. Again zoom it, and next we have this last point. Okay, and the distance between this point and this x-axis is, oops, so this is -5. Okay, so that it will go below the x-axis. Now this point is also here, this point and this last point, the horizontal distance between these two points is 53, and between these two points the horizontal distance is 8. See here, and this is 15 from this point to this point, the horizontal distance is 15. Now vertical distance, for the vertical 5 and again 10. So this x-axis and this point distance is 10, and again for this point, this is 19. The gap between x-axis and this third point is 19. Change it to 19. And for this point 25 is a vertical distance, so select this and change this distance to 25. Now see, the SP line is automatically adjusted, and this distance is also remain, so this is 80. So this is my first point and this is second point, and the horizontal gap is 80, and this point and this origin point, this gap is 83, and close. So my sketch is fully constrained, this SP line is fully constrained. Now I'm creating a line at a certain angle. Now I will dimension it. So this vertical distance is, this is 10, so change it to 10, and this total length is this, and this length is 150. Okay, this is 150, and one more line is this there, and this is my vertical line, and click and this dimension is 10. This dimension is 10. It is specified here. Now finish the sketch. My first sketch is ready. Now for this front view, I am selecting this, and my view is not properly oriented, so reverse the direction and click. Now my orientation is properly. Now I will start from this point, and it is 12 millimeter away from the X, and click first arc. Now zoom it and try to make tangency between these two curve, and same for second and third, and don't touch it, just click. Okay, first drag this and make this curve. Okay, now my sketch is already almost done. Now I will dimension this, and this is 12 millimeter and 150 millimeter long. Oops. So first I am going to dimension these two spline, this arc. This vertical gap is 15, and the radius of this arc is 140, the diameter is 140. This point is coincide with this x-axis. Okay, make them coincide. Now the diameter of this third arc is 60 and radius is 30, and this gap is 0, and again this arc is 50 diameter, this 25 is the radius, and the center of this point, this middle arc. Okay, we have to define this. The center is this. Now the dimension between this center and this point is 30, and the center and this horizontal axis, this vertical gap is 15, so change it to 15. Now see, this is my exactly shape, and this center is okay, approximately it is coming right, so we can delete this. Now this gap is remains, so select this and make vertical. So my sketch is fully consistent. Just exit and see, these are my two curves. Now I am going to mirror this curve, so select mirror feature, and my plane, middle plane is this, and click OK. So this is my three curves. Okay, now I'm going to create a combined curve. For that I will use derived curve, and here we have combined projection. select first curve. This is my first curve and this second curve, and show preview and OK. Now my combined curve is created. Just hide this previous one, this first one, and this second one. Okay, so now I have to fill this surface with unsided surface. I am going to fill this curve. So first go and draw a line. Okay, so I will create this spoon with two surfaces. So here in insert surface, unsided surface, and select OK and apply, and same for the second one. Click OK. Now I want to apply the thickness. So for thickness I have this thicken, select these two and click OK. So thickness will apply. Now hide all sketches and this surface. Now I want to apply some material, so go to render, go to view and true shading, and apply some material. So this is the way how to create this tablespoon. Hope you like this. Keep subscribing our channel and thank you for watching.